right, in problem 3, we are applying trinomial factoring, which means you've got it. Word problem, but this is not really that much of a word problem. So let's see here. This says the area of a rectangle is 8x squared plus 22x plus 15. What are the possible dimensions of the rectangle? And we want to use some factoring. Now, of course, we're going to look at our rectangle. Okay, let's look at our rectangle. There's my rectangle. And it says the area of the rectangle is 8x. So since we're looking at the area of the rectangle, okay, it says the area of the rectangle, we're going to use area equals length times width. Okay. Now the area that we're going to use is the entire trinomial. Okay. The entire trinomial. So here we've got 8x squared plus 22x plus 15, and that's going to be equal to the length times the width. So we need to break this up into two binomials to find our length and our width. Okay? So again, the first thing we're going to use, we're going to do is we're going to multiply our A times our C, and then we want them to add up to be our B. Okay? So we have A times C, which is 8 times 15, and that is equal to 120. So now we're going to find the factors of 120. So we've got 1 times 120. We've got 2 times 60. 3 times 40. 4 times 30. 5 times 24. 6 times 20. 7, no, 8, yeah, 8 times 15. And finally we've got 10 times 12. So there are the factors that we need to look at to see what can we add to get 22. Okay, well, let's go down the list here. Nope, 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 yep, nope, 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 nope. There it is, 10 and 12. So we're going to rewrite the 22x as 10x and 12x. Okay, so let's go ahead and rewrite. So let's see here. We've got 8x squared plus 10x plus 12x plus 15. All right, so now let's group so we can do some factoring. Okay? All right, so in the first one, let's see, we're going to group. I'm going to put the 8x squared together with the 10x, and we'll put the 12x together with the 15. So here we've got, let's see, 8x squared plus 10x. We can factor out 2x. 2x. So the 2x goes out on the outside, and what's left on the inside? Well, 8 divided by 2 is 4, and x squared divided by x is x, and then 10 divided by 2 is 5, and then the x's cancel. And then here for the next one, for the second group there, we can factor out, how about 3? Factor out 3. So we're going to add, so it's plus 3 that goes on the outside, and then we end up with 4x plus 5. Good. So there we have two of our factors. Our two binomials are exactly the same. So we can go ahead and factor those out. Let's see, we can go ahead and factor those out and put them on the outside of the parentheses. So we end up with 4x plus 5. Yep, 4x plus 5. And then we'll be left with the 2x plus 3. And that's what's left. That's the second binomial, 2x plus 3. Very good. So there is your final answer. And of course, how can you check it? Yes, we can check it using FOIL. So this is your final answer. I can just hear you guys saying, oh, it's so easy, Mrs. Hart, I can't stand it. Okay, how do I turn this thing off? Okay, so